Ooh, look at that. What's up, guys? Back here with another vlog, but today we are doing something a little differently. Might be kind of hard to hear me because of the wind. I'm doing this outside so I can get the car in the background. But today we are doing top 5 things I love about my E46. I think I got a pretty good shot of me in my car. For those of you who don't know, I have had this car for about 2 years. Everything you've seen here, I've done. So these aren't in any order, but number one thing would have to be the BMW or E46 community. It's cool seeing the builds happen, like when you know them and the current stage of the car. It's really cool to see all the different things you can do with this car. So let me talk about this first banner, the 46ers. So this is just kind of a Instagram account that just shouts out cars, only E46 body styles. But they've shouted me out a couple times, always sending me invites to meets and stuff. But sadly, I am up in NorCal and they're in SoCal, so I never really get to see them. But it'd be really cool to cruise out with all E46 cars and just take over the freeway with that. If you have an E46 and it's pretty built, definitely slap a sticker on and follow them on Instagram. And who knows, if you got a sick build, they'll shout you out. So the number 2 thing I love about this car is the amount of customization you can do to this car. There is unlimited things you can do to this, from engine to accessories, just building it. I know for some cars, like my girlfriend's car, it is hard just to find coilovers like for a reasonable price. This car, it is so average. You see it probably every day. I see it every day where I'm from. You can really build it how you want, and you have everything you need. You just need to find it. I guarantee you, what you want is somewhere on the internet. I'll do a video of my mods that I have and kind of where I bought them from, if I can remember. Number 3 is the looks of the car. It is funny just to see the looks I get driving this car. You know, everyone stares at it, and you could be cruising next to a stock car and it makes your car look that much better just because it is more unique. You see it every day, but when you see something like this all built, it definitely catches your eye, and I think it looks really good in pictures. My car, I would say, is very photogenic. If you want to see more, check my Instagram. It's at E46. Alright, so number 4, I think it is the durability of the engine. Straight 6s are known to last a really long time. This is a straight 6 3.0 6-cylinder. I bought this car really rare. I bought this car one owner, one mechanic. It was just super clean when I bought it. But the engine had 174,000 miles. I'm currently at 201,000 miles, and it still pulls. It does everything like it's brand new. I've had no problems with it. In that gap, the major things I've had to do is drive shaft bearing, which I need to do again, and that's from driving it, like just stepping on it and going. I've seen these things last so long just with your basic maintenance, you know, oil changes, that kind of stuff, easy stuff. It's hard to find one with low miles, but I mean, if you do, definitely get it, because this car has never left me stranded, never just broken down on me, super reliable. So if you want a daily, definitely look into 1999 to 2005 or 6, I think, E46. Really good cars, I recommend them. I mean, this is my first car, so I really only know this. So far, I really love it, and you know, I really want to keep it for as long as I can. Do whatever I can to make it stay alive with me. All right, number 5 is all the features of this car. This car is a 2005, but for that time, there's some features on this car that aren't even on new cars, and they're really nice to have. So breaking down a little bit, going more into detail of like all the features. All right, let me start her up just for a second. My favorite feature of this car is when you put it in reverse, the side mirror faces down so you can see what you're about to hit if you're gonna hit anything. Because I have a little bit of camber and my tires are all the way out to the fender, I can literally see my wheel and I can see how close I am exactly. So I'll show you guys right here. I drive an automatic, don't roast me for it. I bought this car, I didn't know anything about cars, I wasn't really into cars, but this car made me definitely loving cars and wanting to mess with them. So I'll show you guys that feature right now. All right, so put it in reverse. The mirror goes down and I can literally see my rim. If I go like this, I love that feature so much because I can parallel park so much easier and not have to worry about scratching my rims. The bolsters on this seat, like these are just the stock seats, but you can see like you're gonna be really gripped in there with these bolsters right here, and this can extend, so you know if you got long legs, it's like sitting on a bench, and it is actually super nice. Another cool feature is being able to switch gears. Even though it is an automatic, I can still pick whatever gear I want. I love doing that because I can get the exhaust to pop super easy like that. I can rev up. I basically drive a manual. I'm just kidding. But you can't roast me that much because I do have a manual E46, so I know how to drive manual. Just wasn't into cars when I bought this, so I wasn't gonna get a manual. And I didn't know how to drive a manual when I got this. This thing has automatic lights. So once it senses that it's too dark, you need headlights, it'll automatically turn them on for you. And at night, start up my car, it just automatically turns on. I don't have to mess with anything at all. Anything for lights, I don't even touch. So that is perfect. All right, I really love this too because this feature, I can lock my car and have my windows down and still no one can get in. I'll show you guys right now. Lock my car and you guys can see it's locked. But if I reach in, grab the handle, nothing happens. Nothing happens to all these. Oh, wrong side. Nothing happens. It doesn't matter if they can open the door from the inside, it's not gonna unlock the whole car. You can actually roll your windows up and down without even being near the car. I think to roll them up, you just hold the lock button. My car's already locked, so I'm not gonna do that. But you could also do this, locking it, and it rolls them up, and it also messes with the sunroof. The sunroof closes. I'll step away so you guys know I'm not cheating or anything. I can roll them down just by unlocking my car. So if it's super hot out, you know your car's gonna be hot. You could just, and they're rolling down. And it also opens the sunroof all the way if you want it to. Let all the hot air out completely. I'm gonna end it there. If you guys have any questions about my build, anything, you can leave it down in the comments or follow my Instagram and DM me. Here is my Instagram. Of course, it's on my car. I could go on forever about things I love about this car. That's the main things I love. Obviously, I love this car a lot. But that's probably it. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and plenty of more videos coming your way. Catch you guys in the next video.